Welcome, welcome. Yeah, me see something me want to talk about. I me no want to talk. Me want to zip it. But me mouth heavy fi talk. And me want fi talk it. So, me fi talk or me no fi talk is the question. I think me I go talk, yes. Me I go drink, me I go cold cow, I saw it go, me I go cold cow. Me I go drink milk and county cow, you know. Very fine woman like to drink milk and cow, yeah. She know I mind her own business. So me see, yes, this little thing movement a go on from the other day. I me did want to say something about it, but you know, fine woman I will put the little things them sometime on the back burner, yeah. But something else come up now and it's, you know, spare me to talk about it. Yeah. Ping come out fi mix up that's around there so. Yeah, come here always go around there so go listen to mix up that's yeah, me always go around there so yeah. So no. Ping come out strong pan her. Yeah. But me da watch a little movement for a little while, yeah. With round there so, yeah, me da watch round there so. And me see she come out strong of late, yeah. And she had talk up the things then because before she used to just come out and do a little a little thing where, you know, she'd put out something out there, where she talk a little bit and say what you think, and she play the person voice. But lately me see she come out and she talk, she do some nutrition thing for the lady down so. And then she do she do want something about the doctor, you know, the doctor of the Jamaican Caspare. Yeah, doctor, yeah, the doctor of Jamaican Caspare, diaspora, but me call it Caspare, yeah. So she do one video upon him and he wasn't very happy. I think he tell her him must have said she fi take it down. I don't think she did take it down. Where, you know, near me, yeah. Can me see she was talking about because every minute he come out and him always had say something about near me, yeah. And so she come out and she was defending near me, and say must leave, you know, I think he must say he must love her or something like so. So the doctor never find it very funny because you can't say that about doctor and then patient, yeah. And some other something she not say. But me this is somebody else put up something to say that it was them to get married because of this love-hate relationship, and he mean tell her, I think she did marry them off or something, tell her if you take it down too. But I was thinking to myself, this here doctor in go on and then when people say things him not like it, yeah, and he can't take a taste and want medicine because in our fairness, when he go on about near me, yeah, I find it very, very uncomfortable to listen to. Me say it before, I will say it again, yeah. Because near me don't like it. She take it very, very personal, yes. So no. Ping come out fi defend the doctor and speak your mind because of what near me say. But this individual mix up round there, so she now come out and saying that, you know, she about defending these men or whatever, that talking about women a certain way. But I mean I listened to the video, you know, what Ping said, but I know how Ping or when she ready when she start, yes, she will go on with herself. She goes on with herself, yes. So she go talk up the things them, and I thought that's how she blog her thing. So she do her thing, yeah. But I don't see anything with somebody defending individual because people are wishing sickness and death upon them. Yeah. And no matter what, I don't think near me should be wishing any death upon nobody. Yes. But what I'm going to say, the doctor need to stop now. Yeah. Yeah, he need to leave name me alone now. Yes, it's just too much. Yes, she finding it too much. Yes, and that me I go say. But at the end of the day, this person that come out now, if we talk up the things them about Ping Ping. Ping Ping come out and say she used to reach out to her and get in touch with her for content, and she reach out to her and must have say um she like how she had deal with certain people. Yeah. And when she used to cuss out certain people. So this is what I find, that people, when they want content, when they want things, then will pretend to be your friend. Yes, but me don't know, because Ping Ping said that she unsubscribed from her now. I don't know whether that's the reason why she got the strength. I'm only asking the question. I'm not saying that's the case, but it could be. It could be that's why. But I didn't notice that she did come out strong before for certain people when she posting up article something them, the way she said, put it across. I was thinking, from my analyze and summarize and all kind of rise one. Yes, so I talk to myself. Yeah, I don't think she like them people there, but I believe it's because she can't use the content. Yeah, I don't know how me know I'm a bright student. I know how me talk. Me have to call no name. Yeah. So she used to use a certain tone. Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with you using your platform and saying what you think about anything and whatever, but I think it's the way you go about it. You never say. You could have probably said things, but you never did say. Name me wrong. You never call her out for say she was wrong for what she said about wishing death and sickness on people. So that's not a balance. Vlogging, blogging, or flogging, and you can't flag one person and say them wrong, and then flag one picnic and say them wrong, and then leave the rest of them run right around the place. So you're giving the others them right to say they can run right, but that one shouldn't do it. Yeah, I saw me see it. Yeah, suffering woman see it, and that's what she could say. So you look, to me, it appears as if you're one-sided when you do things like that. Yes, but we feel no, doctor need to stop it now, because that individual, we don't know what go on, but the individual is very, very unhappy with certain things. Near me not like it. Yes, and so, but I say me here say them was friends and all these things. So I don't know, but some people said near me getting a taste of our own medicine, but I think she get enough of our medicine now. Me I go say, yeah. People say a karma and all kind of things, yes. But yeah, she get enough now. So I think doctor needs to pack it in now. That's how found a say, yes. Yeah, and me don't talk and me gone.